Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to a Smart Investor channel. And happy new year, guys. I really wish you the best year upcoming in the stock market, but also in your personal lives, so families and health. I think those are the two most fundamental things, so wish you the best out there. Now, today I'll be doing an update on Nio, and I will also be talking about my price predictions for the Nio day, which, by the way, you should definitely take note immediately. It's January 9th, because there's going to be a lot of hype next week towards that date. Now, to help you guys, I'll do a technical analysis, but also give you my personal play for the Nio day and beyond Nio, right? Long term, mid-term, short term. What do I think and what am I going to do? Now, for those new to the channel, I'm a corporate professional, stock investor, real estate investor, and a passionate PC gamer. I now also do YouTube videos to share my knowledge and my passion with all of you. That being said, please smash that like button if you like the content today, and also subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Now, please, that really supports me, guys. Takes a bunch of time. For those who are already member, please take that extra second right now just to hit that like button. It's going to share to other people who would like to watch this video, and it's going to help me out to grow this community. Thanks a bunch. Now let's move on to it. All right, guys, so the technical analysis now for Nio, currently sitting at $48.70. That's up 0.66%. They had a really amazing week They bounced back from our support level that we had identified here at $41. So that was a great opportunity to purchase. The last video I did, we went through already the support levels and the resistance levels, so I'm not going to cover that again, but we will go through the playbook here of what we should expect moving forward and what are the new buy-in point zones, right? So this is the support level we were looking at, $41 more or less, and that was definitely a buy-in point, first one for me, as I explained on my last video. For those new to the channel, please go back to those video if you want to have the full information on that. And now what we're seeing here is that we bounce back from that, right? So that's really great. We're seeing here we're going to be incoming test the resistance level at $50, okay? This is really crucial, guys, because there's two scenarios here moving forward into next week. We're either going to break this very easily as we have a hype towards the January 9th, right, which is the Nio day. So we're going to go and challenge the $51 level, and which is amazing because that means we're going to do higher highs, right? Right here was the last high. We got rejected. We sold off all the way to $41, and now we're going to test back this position here. So it's really important if we want to make new highs, we need to break the $50 level. Once that's done, that's new highs, and then we might get rejected, okay? I don't expect, if this happens early next week, I expect this to fall down to $47 more or less, okay? Anywhere between $46 and $47, and that will create a higher low, okay? So we can propulse back towards Nio Day to the higher levels of $55, okay? That is my target, okay? Anywhere between $52, $55, I think that's gonna be the hype that it's gonna go towards Nio Day. Definitely, I think if I'm optimistic here, $55, I think that's a target for me that is realistic. I think there's people out there, by the way, a lot of option people that bought contracts that are going even towards the $80, which that's really pretty risky if you're buying options. But that being said, I like to be conservative here. I think $55 is a reasonable price to think about, and I think it's a great increase from here, okay? So very important, guys. Early next week, what I expect, like I said, is for this $50 to break and to do a new higher high, but then it might get rejected as people will take in profits, and that might sell off to $47, I think, if that does happen, the sell-off. If not, it's going to be doing like Tesla, right, and just going crazy hype. That being said, guys, so be very aware of this, okay? If you are not into Nio yet, I probably, if I were new into this, so I'm going to say myself because I'm not a professional advisor here, if I weren't already invested into Nio, I would probably wait for the opportunity for this to dip. I will never chase this. I will never buy on green days. And even if we think it's going to go to $55 by Nio Day, it's still a risk they're taking because there might be a huge sell-off, right, from people who want to take in profits. So I would wait for the hype to go away and then get into Nio. And don't forget, watch my last video because I did give the full details of the buying points for Nio. Now, that being said, Nio will have a lot of great news to offer, right? There's new sedans, you know, a lot of hype on the battery exchange program, right? So that's really great. We may not see some of these support levels again, huh? So take that into account that you might actually want to anticipate that $41 and even $44 level might be actually a way to get into Nio for the long term if you are a long-term investor, okay? So very important, guys. Those are my thoughts. Very important as we get closer to the $56 level, which is the highest point in time for Nio. It will be important to break this so we can make a higher high and then just set a new tone for Nio, which I believe it will do in time. Is it going to be towards the hype of Nio Day or past the Nio Day? That remains to be seen. But definitely definitely this will occur, okay, guys, because I believe that Nio will do tremendously well behind Tesla, and this stock has the opportunity to double, guys, okay, to all the way $100 more or less, okay. I think that is going to be a realistic target. I think that definitely NIO is going to increase their sales tremendously. China is booming. They have high expectations to convert their market of cars into electric cars. So I think them, Xpeng, and Li Auto will do tremendously well. But my horses that I'm betting on putting a lot of my money in is NIO and Tesla. All right, guys. So that being said, those are my thoughts for this stock. Let me know what you think about it as well. Leave your comments below. Do you like the stock? Or are you buying in at these levels right now and following the hype? Or are you going to wait for the dip if you're still an added investor? If you're already an investor, let me know what price you are at, and I'd be curious to know that as well. So listen, guys, that's it. Please smash that like button if you like the content today, and please do not forget to subscribe and also hit that bell notification to not miss out on the future videos. Please, it supports a lot, guys, so I really tons of appreciate it, and I'm going to wish you an amazing rest of the weekend. I'll see you next time. Peace out.